welcome back, Dr. Cynthia.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
for
for coming back on our show.
Nice to have you again.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So, Cynthia, just for our English-speaking audience, I wanted to introduce you. You're an aesthetic medical doctor, and you helped me a lot to write that book, which is a guide of, not a little, a lot, which is a guide to help people to understand aesthetic, medical aesthetic. So, how to look 10 years younger.
That's right.
with all the new technologies. So can you talk to us a little bit about the new technologies, about what it's medical aesthetic today?
So medical aesthetics has to be differentiated from surgery. So what we do in medical aesthetics is non-invasive procedures that to help with anti-aging. So we have a lot of lasers that will help with different problems that you may have with aging. So we have different lasers for texture, for example, color, brown spots, red spots,
so you can take out my brown spot on my hand here.
That's right. Laxities. We also treat with injectables for loss of volume in the face and to resculpt the face as well.
Oh yeah,
yes.
So you can do a lot with injections today.
We can do a lot with non-invasive medicine, a lot.
And about injections, a lot of people are afraid of that. What would you say?
What did you inject? It's Botox? What is it exactly?
Yes, we have Botox, and we have also fillers, which is made of hyaluronic acid.
Okay.
So those are the number one injectables that we have.
And today we have PRP. Can you talk to us about PRP?
PRP is one of my favorites.
Okay.
PRP is short for platelet-rich plasma.
Okay.
And what's beautiful about this, it's part of regenerative medicine, and it comes from you. So basically, the platelets are your own cells that we take out of your body, like we do when we take a blood test.
Okay.
We put a tube in a centrifuge, which separates the red cells and the white cells from the platelets and the plasma. And then we re-inject the platelets and the plasma back into your skin to help regenerate. Because the platelets are your wound healers.
Technology, like it's so advanced today.
It's really interesting because you're regenerating yourself with yourself.
Wow.
So you can't reject yourself. And it's really interesting because your platelets are your natural wound healers. So if you had an operation or if you fell down and broke a leg or cut yourself, you're going to naturally heal. Your body knows to heal. And how does it know to do that? It's the platelets. So that's their job. That's their job. The platelets see that there's an injury, so they come and they repair it. So what we do is we pretend that there's an injury by reintroducing the platelets into your skin. And the body will say, oh my God, there's an injury, let's repair it. And the platelets release all these wonderful growth factors and they help regenerate the skin.
Wow.
It's very fascinating.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us about the clinic, anti-aging clinic, your clinic downtown Montreal on Stanley Street? What you have, what's your strengths, what's your difference?
Well, I think what's different about our clinic is that we don't only treat the exterior part, we treat the interior also. So we treat the physiological changes of aging with our bioidentical hormone program. We also have a laser for urogynecological changes with aging in the female. We have an interest in female health, and we treat the exterior as well with our different lasers and injectables.
Talk to us a little bit more about that gynecological treatment.
The gynecological treatment is very, very fascinating. It's quite new in Canada, and it treats basically 4 things in the aging female. So what it treats, the first is mild to moderate urinary stress incontinence. It could also treat vaginal atrophy of the menopause. It treats vaginal relaxation syndrome post-babies. And for people who have had cancer or females with gynecological cancers who can't take hormones, it will treat that as well by regenerating the mucosa.
Wow.
It's good for women, but you treat also men.
Yes, we treat men as well.
This is a revolutionary technology, no?
This is quite revolutionary because it's an erbium laser, which is quite an aggressive laser, but it's a smooth erbium, so it's no downtime. We do it without anesthesia in the office, and the results are really fantastic.
You are one of the first clinic in Canada, in Quebec at least, to work with that laser that's work from inside of the mouth.
Yes, that's the beauty of this laser, because most of the technologies that treat the skin treat from the exterior. And as you know, you age on the inside as well. So this laser, what we do is we treat from the inside of the face. So we actually put the laser inside the mouth and we tighten the mucosa from the inside
all the mouth
first,
inside? Okay.
this whole area. And then we do 2 other lasers on the surface, one for tone and texture and one for tightening. So we're getting 2 layers of tightening from the outside and from the inside.
Wow.
So you really, really get that nice vector lift of tightening.
So that's make really a replumping look.
That's right. It's more of from the inside. It's almost like you're doing fillers, but it's from the inside. And the beauty is you're doing it yourself.
Wow.
You're regenerating your own collagen. So it's really deep tissue regeneration. Very, very fascinating.
You know where we can find you? Do you have a website?
We have a website, yes, cliniqueantiaging.com, and we're on Stanley Street. We're a hidden secret. We're at the back.
You're right in downtown.
We're right in downtown, but we're in the back. We're in an old coach house, so we're at the end of a courtyard. So
there's no paparazzi
no
there.
paparazzi there.
You can go.
I can go there and you can clean everything.
No one will see you.
You can fix me because I think I need it. More you get older, more you need to be fixed, you know? More in TV. So thank you very much,
Thank
Dr.
you
Christophe,
so
for coming to
much.
my show, and I hope to see you again.
Pleasure.